my babies, it's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama and them, because we litty over here. So without further ado, y'all, I got a package today. I'm not gonna see me today, but I got a package. So hope y'all can see me. Or see me opening the package. So I should be expecting like different packages throughout the week, so yeah. So what is this? Make sure I know what's in there. Oh, sugar snaps. So y'all know it's, well, hopefully by the time y'all get this video, it ain't hot yet, but y'all know in the summertime, like, it be hot. It gets hot here in Ohio, and sometimes you don't want to carry a big bag. Here. You don't want to carry a big bag. You want to carry something simple. And when I had purchased the Bumbag, y'all, I fell in love because it is very spacious, and I could carry my necessities and even my big old phone. So after that, I was just like, I need another bum bag. So I decided to get a, what bum bag is this? I don't say. Oh, it does have that industrial stinky smell. That's okay. So here we have, this is the black bum bag. And I'll try to put up here what it's called. Is it the embedded or the, yeah, I ain't good with names all like that. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So I got it in black because the one that I have is in the monogram color. And when I tell you I was carrying that bag to death, to death. So right here it has Louis Vuitton Paris. It also has that on the buckle. We have gold hardware. Even this little dangly thing, I usually put like a pom-pom or like a keychain on my other bum bag just to, you know, wear it. This one is spacious too. Oh my gosh. Spacious. I'm trying to get the zipper's not too bad. I'll do my little thing, then it'll be like butter. But y'all, this is the bum bag. It's cute. It is adjustable. If I can see the buckle. And I'm loving the black on gold hardware. So yes, you can make this longer, shorter. I always wear mine on my forearm like a purse, or I'll wear it like, wear it on my chest area just to carry it in the front part. And y'all, this is a very decent size. It has the back pocket, and they had this in different colors. I did get this from the Gate, because the Express has been not treating your girl good. I can't find anything rarely, and my patience are growing thin. So I'm just like, let me just try the Gate again, because y'all know I got that cans bag. But I tried the Gate again, and y'all, I am very satisfied in this purse, this black bum bag. So yes, this is this unboxing. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.